Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Okay, so first of all, what's an adjective? Well, that's easy. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. It gives us information about noun or pronoun. In grammar, an adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. Modify means change the noun or pronoun by giving more information about it. For example, take a look at this picture. Who is this? All of us know him. He is Dulquer Salmaan, a Bollywood actor. Can you say something about him? Yes, he is smart. He is handsome. He is tall. He is fair, etc., etc. So, in these sentences, the noun is he. Focus on the noun. Here, we talk about Dulquer, right? We use the pronoun he instead of the noun Dulquer Salmaan. Can you tell me which adjective modify the pronoun he? That means which adjective give more information about him? The adjectives are smart, he is smart. Handsome, he is handsome. He is tall, and fair, he is fair. Then see the next example which will help you to understand more. There are two small white French poodles in the kennel. Focus on the noun poodles. Here we are talking about poodles, right? Are we discussing about kennel? No. Number 2? No. Size? Color or type? No. We are discussing about puppies or we are discussing about poodles. Can you tell me which adjective modify the noun poodles? That means which adjective give more information about poodles? The adjectives are two, small, white and French. These adjectives answer questions like how many, what size, what color, what type, etc. In this example, we can see the adjectives occur before the noun, but we can use the adjectives after the noun or pronoun. For example, his ideas are fantastic. Here the adjective fantastic. It appears after the noun ideas. You can notice here the be verb are. Connect the noun ideas and the adjective fantastic. See the another examples. He is a hard worker. She is a professional boxer. Her story was incredible. I hope now you know what the adjective is. Adjective describes or modifies noun or pronoun. Okay, now let's talk about the types of adjectives. There are many kinds of adjectives in English. They are proper adjective, descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, and finally articles. Articles are also adjectives. Let's begin with proper adjective. Proper adjective describes a noun and pronoun and is formed from proper noun. Okay, if the proper noun is America, proper adjective will be American. Similarly, for India, it will be Indian, an Indian woman, American Chopsy. Okay, then next one is descriptive adjective. It is used to describe nouns or pronouns. They are commonly used in English. Words like beautiful, cute, silly, big, small, tall, short, green, pink, etc. are examples for descriptive adjectives. These adjectives add information and qualities to the words they are modifying. For example, they are brave boys, or you can say the boys are brave. Here we focus the noun boys and we get information about them. They are brave. See the next example. The cat is hungry or the hungry cat. In both cases, the word hungry is an adjective describing the cat. Is that clear? Next one, quantitative adjectives. It describes the quantity of something. In other words, they answer the question how much. Words like some, a few, enough, more, etc. are the quantitative adjectives. For example, I ate enough to fill my stomach. Enough is a quantitative adjective. I want some books. Okay, here some is a quantitative adjective. Okay, next one is numeral adjective. It shows the number or position of a noun. I have 5 pens. In other words, they answer the question how many. So I have 5 pens. How many pens? Okay, then she is always first to finish. It shows position first. Okay, the next one is demonstrative adjective. It describes which noun or pronoun you are referring to. These adjectives include the words this, that, these, those, such, etc. They always come before the word they are modifying. This house is old but solid. Before house, this house. Okay. Such species are rare. Before species. Here the adjectives this or such occur before the noun house and species. See this example. And if I say that's my book, I'm talking about one particular book, my book. So here the word my acts as an adjective by giving information about the noun book. It shows possession. So it's possessive adjective. The words my, his, her, their, your, our are included in this type of adjectives. All these adjectives except the word his can only be used before a noun. When you want to leave off the noun or pronoun being modified, use these possessive adjectives instead. Like mine, his, hers, theirs, yours, ours. Even though that's my is incorrect, that's mine is perfectly fine. Whose dog is that? That's mine. Instead of that's my dog or he's mine. See next one, interrogative adjectives. They are used to ask questions. These adjectives are always followed by a noun or a pronoun, and they are used to form questions. Which book is yours? Whose car is this? Here which is used to make a choice between options. What is used to ask to make a choice in general. Whose is used to ask who something belongs. Which color is your favorite? It's immediately followed by a noun color. But in this question, which is your favorite color? Which is not adjective. Then which song will you play on your wedding day? So here also immediately followed by a noun song. What pet do you want to get? Okay. Then which movie do you like most? The word which asks information about movie. Movie is a noun, so which is an adjective. Remember, other question words like who or how aren't adjectives since they don't modify noun. You can say or ask whose cat is this, but you can't say who cat. Similarly, you can ask whose child is this. Okay, then next one is distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives describe specific members out of a group. It shows noun separately. See the example. Each of them got a chocolate. Each is a distributive adjective. Each is used to speak about group members individually. Every boy in class was quiet. It is used to make a generalization. Either is used to show one between a choice of two. Either you or she can sing now. A choice. Then neither shows not one or the other between a choice. The answer is neither true nor false. The next one is any is used for one or something out of any number of choice. Do you have any brothers or sisters? These all are types of adjectives, and finally we have articles. Articles are also adjectives. The articles a, an, and the are considered as adjectives because I said I have a car or the car is broken. Here a is an adjective. It gives information about car. How many cars? A car. The car. In the next sentence, the car is broken. The car means the particular car. So these are also considered as adjectives. So my dear children, this is the time for quiz. I want to know, or I want to make sure you have understood my class. Pause the video and do the exercise given. Now we can discuss the set A answers. Now let's discuss the set B answers in the evening. You can see the answers in the description box after our class. Then do your exercise. Then after that, let's discuss. Check your answers. I hope all of you have got correct answers. Congratulations. See you in the next class.